I have a product I want to produce in China. I want to hire you as the inspection company.
Yeah.
But in order for you to quote price, I need to send you all the technical details of my product, and I'm afraid to give you all the details. Will you sign an NDA with me to promise that you won't give away?
Yes, we can definitely sign an NDA so that any information that we learn about your product would be private and we would not disclose that to outside parties. Definitely.
Very good. Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.